Hey there, my name is Felice Clark, the Dabbling Speechy. I'm a school-based speech pathologist, and I'm coming on this week to talk about how to help your child say more. And one of the key things that you want to do when you're working on a skill using a core board is we want you to model for your child. Of course, that can be modeling the words that you want them to say, but it also means to model what you want them to do with the board. So some of my students, they have a lot of language and words in their head, but they are not verbal. They cannot expressively say the word. So in order to still help them to communicate their wants and needs and their emotions and thoughts, they can point and tell me what they want. And when I started using these with my students, it did a couple of things. It empowered them. They felt like they were being heard and listened to. So guess what happened? All of their protesting and their behaviors to express themselves went down because they could express themselves with this visual words. And even if they couldn't say the word, I took whatever they pointed to, but then I also found that my kids who are verbal could create longer sentences without me having to prompt and tell them what to say. So that's the big thing that I want you to focus on while you watch this video, is watch how you can model and touch the words and use the words too while you're talking with your child. So this week, I really want you to start working on teaching your child to request more of something. So that's going to be the words you're going to really be focusing and modeling for your child this week. Okay, so when we model for our child, that is going to help them learn the word and learn the power of communicating on their own, because they are going to see you communicating with the visual communication board, and that's going to be more motivating. So first off, we have snack time. So, hey, I cut up some more grapes, Lila. Do you want more? Oh, so I think you're saying yes, more. So here's some grapes. So one thing you can do is just give them a little bit of snack, but do not give them the whole snack, because we want to keep increasing opportunities for them to practice using more. So you can put a few out, and then and you're also going to be working on joint attention, because when they're done with the snack, they're going to look at you, or they're going to try to get at your attention by touching you. They're initiating, which is a really great social skill. I think you're looking at me that you want more. So as you saw in the video, I did a lot of modeling by pointing to the icons as I was saying it. So I'm showing the child that I want to use this visual to communicate too. So when they see you communicating, they're more likely going to be motivated to communicate using it as well. And my other tip for trying to get your child to request more is to withhold the item that they really, really want. And if you see them reaching for the item or looking at you and looking at the item, you can model more. Give a couple of couple of seconds of wait time. And then if they don't say anything, you model more. You want more grapes, and then give them one. So we don't want our child to get super, super frustrated, like, listen, I've been communicating with you. Because some of our children at home, maybe they're at the place where they're going to point or they're going to grab for the item, and they're still telling you more. They're just not doing it with this visual icon yet. So that's your job, mom and dad, is to model more for them, and eventually, if you're consistent with it, they're gonna start saying more. So if you liked this video, please tell me below in the comments what you liked, and if you need future tutorials, let me know, because I would love to make more to help you at home with your child during this time with all the school closures. So just remember, you can get this on my Teachers Pay Teachers store. It is a free download for you.